Hey, let's talk about our Beauty by Earth hand sanitizer. I'm Prudence from Beauty by Earth. We just launched our hand sanitizers in 3 different sizes, 6 ounce, a 12 ounce, and a sharing size 16 ounce. 62% alcohol that is needed for sanitizing your hands and killing the germs and bacteria. There is water, vegetable glycerin, organic aloe vera juice. Both the glycerin and aloe vera are for moisturizing your hands so they don't get dried out from the alcohol. There is a thickening agent. There's organic lavender and peppermint essential oil to cover up the smell of the alcohol. It is very mild. And citric acid, which is a pH balancer. And that's it. So very clean ingredients. Please note that you still need to wash your hands with soap. That is the absolute best method of keeping your hands clean. These are just for extra protection if you need them around your car, your office, your purse. And there you go. We hope you like it.